play the Save with Oreo challenge with
Oreo.
Letter M for Mama. What's that?
BTS.
BTS? Let me see. Wow, letter B for BTS. Emoji, can you do the emoji?
Yeah.
Can you do the emoji? Let me see, let me see. The emoji. Oh, sige, eat the emoji.
Letter A.
Very good. This is the letter A for Aureon. How do you say you love Mama? Show the heart. Yay! Thank you, Aureon. Love you. Hi everyone! Today we're going to play the Save with Oreo challenge with... What's your name?
Oreo.
Hindi, sabi mo, Orion G.
Oreo.
Hindi, what's your name?
Oreo.
Lakas mo!
Oreo.
Hindi, Orion G.
Oreo.
Oh, ulit. What's your name?
Oreo.
Hindi ganun. What's your name?
Oreo.
Hindi, Orion G. Ulit. Hi everyone! Today we're going to play the Save with Oreo challenge with... What's your name?
Oreo.
Dun.
Oreo.
Sinong kamukha mo? Si Mama o si Papa?
Papa.
Huh? Hindi. What's that? Let me see.
Oreo.
Let me see. Letter M for Mama. Oh, eat na. What's your favorite song?
BTS.
Ano ka mo yan? What's that? What's that?
BTS.
BTS? Let me see. Wow, letter B for BTS. What's that? Emoji. Can you do the emoji?
Yeah.
Can you do the emoji? Let me see. Let me see. Do you want to eat the emoji? Oh, sige, eat the emoji.
Yeah.
And next question. Your name starts with the letter
A.
Hawak mo. With the letter. Oh, sabihin mo yung letter. Anong letter?
Letter A.
Let me see. Very good. This is the letter A for Aureon. Yan. Wait, papakita mo yung heart. Heart. O, diba?
Ikaw lang.
Oh, wait lang. Last question, Aureon. Do you love Mama?
Yes.
Oh. How do you say you love Mama? Show the heart. What's that? Heart.
Heart.
Oh, pakita mo daw ito dun sa camera. Itong heart. Show the heart sa camera. Yay! Yay! Oh. Love Mama, love Mama. Thank you, Aureon. Love you. You like it? Ano gusto mo? Oh, eat mo.
Sarap.
Pag ganyan. Sarap.
Tissue.
Okay. Oh, dahan-dahan.
So, lilipat natin ang pwesto yung mga aso kapag namin yung table dito. Kasi iikutan nila yan, masisira yan.
Galing na ni Orion! Kakat-kat.